Hi guys, welcome back to another awesome video. In this video I am going to show you a tutorial on how to fix this error. This error is usually shown in your browser or settings if some other third-party application changes Windows registries. So let's fix this. Open Windows Registry. Expand HKey Current User, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows. Click on Data Collection folder and delete all the keys except this default one. If you are facing this problem in your browser, just delete its folder. Now, expand HKey Local Machine, Software and delete the browser folder if you are facing this in your browser. Now, expand Microsoft, Windows and click on Data Collection folder and all keys except this default one. Close registry and restart. Now this will most probably fix your problem, but if doesn't, don't mess up with your Windows registry. Simply reset your PC without losing any data. All the problems will be fixed. So, that was it guys. Thanks for watching.
We'll be right back.